morning, good morning. Welcome back to another episode. We're coming at you live from Molokai. We've been here the past couple of days, but we never really fished. We did, but small kind, not for record. Just more so hanging out with everybody, our family. But this morning, we leave today. Today is on Sunday, we leave today, so we wake up, rush for doing sunrise mission. Only some plug-in poles, so I get my medium and my heavy set up, and then he get on plug-in set up. So we can go down to the spot, throw some lures. Yeah, so before it get ugly. It's kind of been pumping though. Wind been pumping on this side, so. But yeah, we set the spot already, so go down and then we're gonna set up everything. Just start throwing. This one. Okay. Gotta set up our poles. Super nice. I just would delete the wind if I could, but cannot. So I'm gonna set up. I'm probably gonna throw more so my heavy set up, so I'm stuck in some fucking heavier poppers. But set up real quick. I'll show you guys what I tried. Let's throw this fucker first. A little bit on the lighter side for this pole, but so I can throw them first before it get more ugly and windy. Let's go catch something.
Oh, you good? Woo! Yeah, baby! Yeah, I got him. Alright, get him. Whoa! Whoa!
Have me going for it.
Bro, am I recording?
Yeah.
Yeah! Fuck
Yeah,
it!
you fucked it.
Yeah!
Shake my fucking hand. Yes, sir. Mark White.
Yes,
Mark
baby!
White.
Oh, bro. You was right. Mark White was the one, baby.
Yeah. Ooh. That's a freaking. That's a nice dude right there.
Yeah, bro.
We gotta keep trying. So.
With the Mark White, baby.
Yeah, you.
Yeah. Brand new Mark White.
Mark White.
That was the one, boys.
Okay. Grab his daddy. Throw him in that pond. We're gonna fucking. Can keep that fucker.
Yeah.
Get your grandma in. Oh. How much fucking eat shit, boys. How far was going? Alright boys, we can throw a little bit more. And nothing, so we're gonna go drive down, we're gonna pack up, throw everything in the car, drive a little bit down, we're gonna go to one point. Yeah, hopefully we can throw a little bit right, so it can go with the wind at least. But we know we can go without the fish, so we leave today anyway, so we're gonna throw them back.
You good, man? You ready?
That's like cherished sashimi or pan fry right there, but
Couple pounds, maybe like a 3 pounder.
don't know. Couple pounds.
You ready? You ready?
You ready? Here.
You serious, Mark? You like going?
Yeah. Hey, you gotta do the caviar fishing. The water release. Oh, what you gonna do? Just suck his ass in. Oh, 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 oh. Fucker, you better not hit the rock. Dude. Oh, oh. Fucker with belly flop. Cause...
You went to sideways last minute.
Oh yeah, it was his fault. Now we're gonna leave our pole set up, just throw everything in the car and fit. Yeah, and then shoot them down back that side. Action. Okay guys, update. Fuck, everything just in shift got so much uglier, bro. The all the downpour, all of that waves, I don't mind, but fucking mixing the wind with that, oh, I'm out of there.
Yeah.
Cause if we only can cast 10 yards, fuck, I just rather switch spot. So
We ended up going, okay, we go a little bit more down the road, and fuck, it's just raining everywhere.
this side, so
watch this. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like raining pretty good. It's nice, not ideal for fish, but
nah, just the wind. The wind was fucking us up.
But
we couldn't cast.
yeah,
The casting wasn't going fucking further than like 15-20 yards. So maybe 30 yards. I give ourselves 30 yards, but fuck. So we're heading out. We're gonna go try to check out a little bit more down. If anything, if we gotta go all the way down, we go all the way down. But we leave today, so we're gonna try fucking book it somewhere else.
yeah. So we made one quick pit stop at the gas station, grab something for eat. We headed to the other side of the island. The other side was just pouring rain, so.
But this side, nice.
Yeah. So
beautiful, sunny, little bit wind, light breeze. Nah, I don't know. But I don't know how the water is either, so.
We really only get like a few more hours, so we really like throw some more. So find a spot and throw for a few more hours and
Throw for broke.
Yes, but yeah, just want to get you guys updated.
We already got fat Milu under our belt.
Yes,
1-2 pounds maybe.
We'll keep going though.
This side, I don't know. We catch you guys at one spot.
Yeah.
Time crunch right now.
Okay, gotta go.
Gotta go.
Easy. Okay, we just got it. Spot number 2. A little bit of a walk, but we're gonna cruise them. Hurry up, boy. Pack your shit. Let's go.
Success.
Pack your shit. Let's go.
Time. Success does not rush. I found on penny heads up, so I might catch something.
Fucker, hurry up. You gonna be heads up. Fucker.
Fuck you. Caught something now. You think you oughta watch me whack?
Yeah,
watch me catch something twice as big.
Fuck, I hope you do, bro. Honestly. Fuck, I hope I catch something twice as big.
Nah, yeah, I hope you don't. Fuck, you already caught something like some more shit.
Yeah, greedy, you fuck. I catch all the time. Nah. We let that one go. And if I catch something big, I'm gonna let that one go too.
You think he would let him go? The fact that he got yanked out of the water, his homie. He just wanted to enjoy a nice meal. He probably was grabbing that for his fucking family. Not for himself.
Oh, was a hardworking man and I ripped him away from his family.
Honest man.
Rip him away from his family.
And you was over there on the rocks. Yeah! Yeah!
I fucking give him back.
Give him back. They don't like him after that. All the trauma that they gotta listen about.
I throw him back, he had a hole in his mouth from the lure.
He gonna need therapy and all that.
He went straight to the dentist, guaranteed he'll fix his lip. Nah, okay, we're gonna get walking. Shoots.
Shoot. Bro,
Sorry, bro.
bro, that's not even funny, bro.
Fucking pull too long.
Our pole is the same fucking size. Oh, something chasing, bro.
Right.
Was it like one big fish? I don't even think it was on Omilu. Like, wasn't weird, like. Watch this. Hopefully it's chasing still. Oh!
Oh, what is that?
You see that, huh?
Yeah, throw it again.
No! Come on, baby. I cannot tell. Oh, this fucker stopped chasing. Okay, just got to the point, the rock point. Fuck. I wish we could go to one of those over there. Those look action, but we stay over here, so I'm not gonna lie, I don't know how to get to those. Just stay in front of all of these houses over here, so probably the walk would have been the same anyways. But trying this one and that same black and silver. I'm gonna try the black and silver first, but see what we can get. Let's go, baby. I'm gonna walk to that point. Fuck 'em. Only close anyway. Gotta be careful over here, bro. Should have my rock spikes. That's a first cast at this point. My brother's still over there. The water is so clean. Right there. Something chasing. Oh, come on, you fucker. Whack. a fucking kaku, cuz. Bro, that's a fucking kaku. It's small. Oh, you fucking kaku, you fucker! Man, that'll be action for catch us fucking that little kaku. Omilu. Omilu is right here in the front. Fuck, I don't know if you guys can see that. Come on, baby. Omilu, I seen you. Get Omilu, keep straight up to the lure. Turn away last second. Oh, something just said fucking strike. Alright, fucking barracuda and strike this fucker. Come on, you fucker. Time following him, now he like strike this fucker. That's the last one. Maybe I try on the way back. Fucking plenty stuff chasing though, bruh. Oh, fucking Omilu, barracuda. God, getting me all excited, but that barracuda ain't strike once, but wasn't that big. So when we head back to my rod, I think we gotta walk back already. I'll go try and plug on the way back on the beach. Fucking ugly, but it's the last chance, so go back. I break down this pole right now, so we're just gonna throw on the way back. Fucking Omilu, bro. And Kaku. I wanna throw his stink ass right back too. Only had that one cruising a bit, a little Kaku. And I'll use the fucking Kaku lure. I love this wind going right in my face. Nah, you gotta throw him backwards. Throw the one on top. Stay. Try right now. Where's my brothers? Try the exact same spot. Can't resist the Omo. Came off! No! Fuck! Bro, some fucking big fish took her! My fucking drag was tight. He wasn't able for fucking pull him and yank out. Bro, you never seen a chrome? Holy shit! It wasn't an Aloha or anything, but bro, it was like, looked like an Aloha or something. Like, looked like the size that I fucking shot, bro. Fucking huge. All I see was little fish jumping and a fucking whack. The thing couldn't pull my drag, but I seen that fucker. I mean, like, I loosened on this, started for pulling and just didn't fucking whack the yank out.
Okay, guys. It's the end of our fishing for today. We're out a couple hours, few hours to fish, but we had quite a bit of action. Yeah. Come on. Fuck good. But we gotta head back to town. We'll be leaving from Maui in a couple hours, so.
Fuck, he got something. Oh fuck, that was my fault though. I wasn't expecting that striking, and fuck, it kind of looked. I saw the whole face of it, so the side of it. So I was like, fuck. I think I mean he went whack him, but when I said hook, I think I fucking snag him was on the outside. And I was trying to fucking, he was like trying to pull, so I was trying to like let him run a little bit, loosen the drag, and then when I fucking go for reel him in, I think this didn't pop out. So it was fucking probably my fault. So just shitty. Anyhow.
Action though.
Fuck, that fucker was big though. I don't know if we never checked the footage yet, so I don't know if you can see him on the GoPro, but that fucker was a nice size, whatever it was. I don't think, wasn't like, never looked like on Aloha, was more like on white, like a little bit chrome, I guess, but never looked like, if it wasn't Aloha, that fucker would have, no question about it, you know what I mean? Wouldn't have been, oh, I wonder if that would have, we would have.
Yeah, the water's clean down there, so
maybe like on Omilu.
Would have seen him.
I don't know. Yeah, that was just a quick one for you guys. We was already on Molokai, hanging out with our family, so figured get some plug-in trips in, see if get action, but that's just a short one. Everything's breaking around us, so
and we'll go.
Going on, so thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.
Shoots.
Get you guys back on Maui.
Yes,
Keep
sir.
casting.